AMORCHAN channel, and today we have a special guest. As you can see, she is already here. So welcome Tiana. Her name is Tiana and she's from Madagascar as well. She is also here, based here in the Philippines, and we are going to talk about things that surprised us and surprised her when we just came here in the Philippines. So also at the same time we are going to translate some in Malagasy, so for those who are following us in Madagascar, and as well speaking in English for those who speak English, so it's international.
Okay, so you'll be speaking Tagalog, Malagasy.
Yeah, we can say some Tagalog as well to teach those who wanna learn Tagalog. Manao na! Tunggasu atom ni siya na misanaya TEAM AMORCHAN! Manana space fayini manuka na miyavak tsikandroanya Tiana. Tunggasu atom siya na misanaya de Malagasy Tiana mipetraka ty Philippines. De androany izahay de iresadresaka kely momba an'le zavatra ohatrany hoe inona ny zavatra navarina na nahagaga anazy na nahagaga the queen to governor the Philippines. So first question, Tiana, what are the things that surprised you when you just came here in the Philippines?
Okay, so thank you for your question. So there is a lot of things that surprised me when I first came here, because there is always difference between the countries, right? But I would just listed few only that really marked, that I really noticed. So the first thing is I was surprised when I saw people drinking juice or water in plastic, and then there is this straw inside the plastic.
Oh yes, I noticed that also.
And then also sometimes I see also they put oil inside. Inside the plastic. So I kind of find it different, because back home we use solid stuff to put liquid. Like bottle or anything that plastic or
I noticed that. So what Tiana said is tinny Tiana tenena zany de hoe tamin'izy vao tonga taty zany de somary gaga nahita le olona mividy jus ohatra hoe boisson na zavatra ranon-javatra menaka na boisson na de ilana amina tante sachet le izy au lieu de zay de pipette de iny foana isotroana azy zany am'le tante sachet miaraka am'le pipette, fa tsy makasarotra zany. Because in our country when we buy something liquid we put it in a bottle, something like that, solid, something that like a container that can hold it. So we got surprised. I got surprised as well when I saw that, like
it's possible.
It's possible. But in Madagascar we are just stuck in the normal culture, like if it's liquid it should be in a bottle. Okay, what is the next?
Then my number 2 is I was surprised when I see people combing hair in the public place. Like maybe in the bus, on the street. Like put the combs out and then comb it. So it's I wasn't used to see that, so it was something that surprised me also. Like you can be free spirit, you can comb hair everywhere.
Izy koa zany na tsikaritra hoe le mandeha mahita olona mihogo-vola amin'ny toerana amin'ny toerana publika zany.
Ohatra hoe mandeha bus ianao de na eny an-dalana de mamoaka figo de
ohatrany tsy mivakoatra ny any an-trano
de tsy maninona fa ohatrany normal ihany.
Indraindray le volo lena iny mihitsy le pitipitika le rano
le volo zany tsy amainina aloha vao mivoaka fa le izy mandy tsy maninona fa bangona raha tara zany ka mivoaka dia mbola afaka entina fotsiny figo dia afaka mibango eny an-dalana.
Satria tsika ny Madagasikara mantsy le mahazatra dia alohan'ny hivoaka dia vitaina daholo aleo ny zavatra rehetra vao mivoaka.
Mba tsara ilay izy zany
Dia izay.
tsy makasatra ny olona, tsy mijerijery ny olona
Fa zavatra
ohatrany
efa normal amin'izareo ilay izy.
fa ho an'ny olona hoe avy any ivelany zany avy amina toerana hafa no mahatsikaritra hoe hafa kely zany.
Hafa ohatrany hoe tsika zany samy avy any madary mahatsikaritra an'ilay izy hoe hafahafa koa zany maninona mibango vola amin'ny toerana publika ohatran'izay.
So what about you? What are the things that surprise you?
Yeah, so for me what I notice is people putting towel.
Small towel.
Yeah, small towel behind at their back. So I got shocked, like, why
is the meaning?
What's the meaning? They put towel always at the back. So even kids, adults, they are putting towel. So that's what I noticed as well.
Yeah,
and I was so surprised.
I also noticed that. Actually, I saw a lot of people also like going to the mall and then with the small towel. So I was wondering what is the
meaning.
Yeah, what is it for? Like what is the small towel for? But then later on, I realized that it's for the when it's very hot and you're sweating. So that kind of absorb the sweat from the time. Yeah, so it will make you feel dry and clean.
Yeah. So zavatra tsy karotra indray zany ny ana manokana dia le mandeha mivoaka dia mahita olona manisy servieta kely, manana servieta kely lavalava zareo dia apetaka ato amin'ny lamosina, atsofoka anatin'ny akanjo dia apetaka ato amin'ny lamosina.
Kirazorazo
Dia silakany amin'ny kirazorazo atsasan'ilay servieta mivoaka ivelany dia
atsasany fotsiny.
Dia ny ambony mitsofoka any anatiny ihany dia mipetaka amin'ny lamosina. Dia somary nahagaga raha olon-dehibe, raha ankizy, raha zazakely, raha ana dia manisy an'ilay servieta daholo. Dia gagapesa fa iny raha servieta mandehandeha raka tanan'ireo. Tena misy sasan'ilay servieta ngeza be ireny mihitsy ary ny tonga dia atao amin'ny tenda ohatra izao. Dia iny somary nahagaga
fa tsy tena ngeza kosa aloha ilay izy.
Fa misy asa chauffeur-ny jeep ireny misy manao ilay ngeza be.
Fa tsy ilay servieta ilay fafa ireny fa
izy indray aloha tsy servieta ilay fandronaka. So dia izay zany nahagaga anahy fa maninona olo reto te manao servieta mandeha
dia tsy mba nalandrana koa.
So later on, I knew that it is actually for health reason, like because it's so hot here in the Philippines. So they are putting towel at the back to absorb the sweat. Di kan'le izy kay zany ny antony hoe nanasiana servieta ato aoriana dia ohatrany hoe pour raison de santé zany le izy satria aty Philippines mafana be.
Dia mora tsempoka ny olona dia ohatrany hoe manamaina an'ilay lamosina zany. Ilay tsempoka iny zany absorbe ilay servieta kely iny zany ilay tsempoka.
Satria aty ny olona aty tia mandeha amin'ny centre commercial. Dia nefa ny centre commercial aty climatisé. Dia nefa ny aty mafana be. Dia ny olona mandeha mandra-pahitongavana amin'ny centre commercial dia tsempoka be dia mando be. Dia après nefa ny miditra amin'ny centre commercial mangatsiaka be. Dia i-contrenany iny zany dia tsy ilay tonga dia direct ilay vatana mando be iny idiran'ilay mangatsiaka fa mila absorben'ilay servieta zany ilay tsempoka dia après izay voasava tsy maninona après miditra amin'ny centre commercial satria ny olona aty rehefa tsisy atao tonga dia any amin'ny centre commercial na dia mipetraka fotsiny zareo amin'ny centre commercial tsy maninona efa misy mipetrapetrana. Raha tsy hividy zavatra raha dia any daholo ny fianakaviana rehetra rehefa tsisy atao.
Jery vitrine. Ina koa ny zavatra navariananao. What is the other things that surprise you when you first came here?
Yeah, and other things is people holding umbrella always. So even it's not raining, people are holding umbrella always. So that's things that surprise me, because in my country, in Madagascar, we only carry umbrella when it is raining season, right? So here, even it's not raining, people carry umbrella. So that I was surprised, like everywhere. And also even it's guys, a boy or men, they are also carrying umbrella. So I was surprised, like it's not raining, and they are
but
carrying
actually
umbrella.
back in our country we use umbrella when it's raining only, and when it's hot, it's mostly the old people with the, like grandma, they carry the umbrella. So it's not so typical to see when it's hot. I think if the weather there also is not that hot, so we are used to it, but we use mostly the umbrella for the rain. So when we came here, like me personally, I noticed also that many people with umbrellas, and even guys, and when it's hot, sometimes it's just warm.
They
So
still carry umbrella.
But then I just realized that the umbrella was actually for everything, right?
Useful.
We just didn't know that it can also be done
for sun as
because we don't see how people do, right? Back home.
Izay zany zavatra tsy kato faharoa zany a, dia le mahita olona mandeha mivoaka dia mahita olona mitondra elo, satria aty zany raha lehilahy io, raha vehivavy io dia mitondra elo, nefa tsisy orana fa maina tsara ny andro. Dia izay zany zavatra nahavariana anahy koa, efa maninona mitondra elo daholo ny lehilahy sy vehivavy aty, nefa amin'ny andro maina tsisy orana, satria any amintsika zany le mahazatra dia rehefa vorana ihany vao mitondra elo, fa ny aty noho le hafanana diso tafahoatra zany a, dia mitondra elo miaro an'le hafanana. Izay zany mahatonga an'le, fa tsika koa zany tsy mahafantatra hoe heverintsika fa hoe oran'andro ihany ny lavana an'le elo.
Tsika koa efa zatra hoe tsy mahita olona mampiasa elo, dia ohatrany tsy fampiasa zany.
Hoe fa hoana koa elo amin'ny andro atoandro be ty, ianao ve mila orana miantso orana? Fa le elo zany tsy natokana irery hoe ho an'ny oran'andro le izy, fa rehefa mahatsiaro te hiaro ny vatany ianao zany dia afaka mitondra elo.
Dia na tsy misy olona manao betsaka fa ohatrany hoe afaka manandrana ianao.
Afaka manandrana.
Ianao zany mba manomboka ilay izy raha sitraka mo.
Dia izay zany tiana izaraina hoe tsy voatery mifiksa amin'ny zavatra mahazatra iny koa zany, fa rehefa hitanao hoe mahasoa le izy dia tsara atao, tsara anaovana koa.
Fa aza mijery hoe tsisy manao dia so dia lazain'ny olona hoe
madalatala
hoe fina mahazo anao, miantsorana, fa ataovy izay mampety anao.
The good thing is I learn a lot because of it, like what's the reason behind. So I can also teach the people from my country that if you need it, then do it. If it's good for you, then do it. Something like that. So Tiana, before we close about our topics, what are the things that inspire you about the Philippines, or things that you like what people here do? And you wanna share to them in Madagascar?
Okay, so some things that I notice is when we take public transport like jeepney, there is no, I mean, everybody will just give their fare to the driver. So yeah, it's just the driver just trusts everybody that they will give their fare, and they will give the exact fare according to their destination. So yeah, it was nice. I mean, we don't have that home, so that thing is something that I found like it's nice, and it teaches people to be honest, and yeah, to care also about others, right? Yeah, like to be honest, in small things,
Yeah, I noticed that also, and that's the things
You
that...
notice many things.
Yeah, I noticed many
You
things.
notice everything that I notice.
Yeah, so I noticed that also, and it's really nice to share. Zavatra tenen'ity anao teo zany a, dia le mahafinaritra azy le mahita olona, ina moa?
Ny rehefa mandeha aty moa ny transportation aty jeepney.
Ankoatran'ny bus dia misy jeepney koa. Ohatrany hoe bus kely le izy fa vita avy aty Philippines, dia jeepney ny antsoina azy.
Dia le izy tsisy réservera fa samy mandony frais-any.
Omenan'le chauffeur.
Omenan'le chauffeur, dia le chauffeur koa moa tsy olona mpanan-karena be fa olona normal, ihany olona miady amin'ny fiainana sy mitady izay.
Le izy zany a question de ina moa confiance le izy. Fahatsapatena zany hoe matsapa ianao nitaingina an'le tomobile dia mandoha vola ianao alohan'ny hidiny, dia izay zany zavatra mahafinaritra aty. Amin'le jeepney io zany a tsisy réservera fa le chauffeur ihany mitondra. Dia ny olona rehefa miakatra zany dia alohan'ny hidina na vao miakatra izy dia manome volan'le chauffeur andoha frais za. Dia manome fameriny chauffeur raha misy fameriny, raha tsisy moa dia izay vao midina le olona. Fa tsy haiko raha ny Madagasikara dia ohatran'izay.
Mety ho sarosarotra
hoe zara raha ny ity tsisy mitaky frais izy
andeha amin'ny indolo fa ny olona rehetra sanatry andeha amin'le bus daholo, amin'le jeep daholo ny olona satria gratuit dia andao anara loatra. Fa le izy zany ny olona zany mahatsapa tena dia manome daholo, dia mahatsapa koa hoe zao ny distance ny andehanako nitainganako an'le jeep. Dia arakarak'izay koa ny omenao. Fa tsy hoe taingana dia hoe manome dia hoe le farany kely indrindra na hoe fambana aminay za, fa tena hoe mahatsapa tena zany dia hoe honnête na amin'ny zavatra kely. Ie, mahafinaritra. Dia izay mba tiana izaraina zany, dia ninahy koa ny zavatra tsikarotra ny toe-sainan'zareo. Toe-sainan'zareo zany hoe tsy makalagy dia tsy makasaro-piainana. Rehefa misy olana dia tsy maneho an'ilay olana. Ohatrany hoe mila maneho tarehy mampalahelo be fa misy problème zaty dia aseho daholo ny émotion dia tantaraina amin'ny olona hoe za ohatr'izao mampalahelo na tsy manao an'izany zareo. Au contraire raha ny zareo tena tsy fantatrao mihitsy hoe misy olana iny olona iny, manao zavatra mahafalifaly foana zareo. Dia izay zany a zavatra mahafinaritra. Zavatra mahafinaritra ohatran'izany dia tsara mba ianarantsika ny Madagasikara any koa hoe tsy miolana, rehefa misy olana dia iny a zavatra temporaire iny, dia aza lanina amin'iny ny énergie fa mandra-pahitana solution dia ataovy ny zavatra mahafalifaly ny fo, mahafalifaly ny saina, miramirana lalandava. Satria manko ny olana misy foana fa ny tsy misy tany tsy misy hoe olana zany, na dia any Amerika renao dia mbola misy olana, fa le olana samy misy karazany le izy dia arakarak'le olona. Dia fahaizanao hoe miaffronter an'iny sy ny attitude anao amin'iny olana iny no plus important. Fa tsy hoe ianao tsisy olana, satria tsy misy zany hoe olona eto ambony tany tsisy olana zany. Dia ny toe-tsaina fotsiny mila amboarina dia ny ohatrany hoe mila manao practice, mila manazatra tena fa tsy le izy moa tsy indray mandeha tonga dia mivady fa mila fanazarana,
miezaka manazatra an'izay, manana an'izay fomba fisainana izay zany, mampiana tena zany. Mila mampiana tena hoe inona ny zavatra mahasoa, inona ny zavatra soa alana tahaka. Dia izay mahatonga anay mizara an'ilay izy satria expérience hitanay ilay izy hoe zavatra tsara dia ianarana. Dia raha izay arany a miezaka manao an'izay koa satria hitanay mahafinaritra ilay izy. Izay tsy parfait koa fa anatin'ny mianatra koa dia hitanay mahasoa ilay izy dia izay ny zaraina. Satria zavatra mahasoa dia raha mba malagasy rehetra zany manana an'izay fisainana izay dia mety handroso koa ny Madagasikara satria miova ny fisainan'ny malagasy tsirairay. Dia zavatra mahafinaritra izay dia engany mba ataontsika ny Madagasikara koa hoe mijery côté positif foana zany amin'ny fiainana, mijery zavatra hoe inona ny zavatra mahasoa dia mifokosy amin'iny. mifantoka amin'iny zavatra mahasoa iny fa tsy zavatra tsy mahasoa no ifantohana andaniana fotoana, andaniana hery, laniana amin'iny fotoana nefa ilay fotoana ampiasainao iny raha ifantohana amin'ilay zavatra mahasoa dia mandroso be ilay fiainana.
Dia mifantoha koa amin'ny zavatra hoe inona no zavatra mampandroso anao. Satria rehefa tsisy atao koa dia lasa mifantoka amin'ny zavatra tsisy fotony. Dia mitadiava zavatra atao ohatra zavatra mahasoa. Mianatra mahandro sakafo, mianatra tsy haiko be da be zavatra, mianatra muzika, mianatra sport, be da be. Dia mitadiava hoe tsy voatery hoe inona ny zavatra hainao fa fiainana moa fianarana foana. Dia misafidy fotsiny ianao hoe inona dia andramo daholo.
Andramo daholo dia rehefa tsy mety dia manao.
Andramo daholo.
Ie, dia tsy mora aloha manatanteraka an'ilay izy fa mila fanazarantena ilay izy. So what I like here in the Philippines as well is about people, the way how they see things, like even they have problems, they are still smiling, they are still in good mood, good vibes, making a TikTok videos.
They turn everything to fun.
To fun, yeah. So that's what I like. And since I'm also adventurous and fun person, I like that kind of vibes. Like they just make a fun of everything. They just joke around. Even there are typhoons around
or flood.
Sometimes their house is already flooded. They are still
making with a lot of meme on Facebook about
yeah. So they turn things negative into positive. So it's really
something
good and inspiring for me. So I learned from that as well. Like I should not focus on negative things
because there is always negative in life. But it's about it's not about how much negative you have in life, but where is your focus, right?
Yeah.
Is it on the small positive or the
big negative? Yeah. And that negative is just only temporary. So what I learned is I should not focus on that much. So I should look on the positive way, on the good things. So that's what I learned from them. They are always positive. They are always smiling.
Yeah.
So it's good. So guys, that's all for today. And thanks Tiana for being my guest and for sharing with us what's your experience as well. So we hope you enjoy our video and we hope you like what we share
about the Philippines.
Yeah.
Like what is our view about the Philippines as a foreigner.
Yeah, and if you want to see Tiana again in our video, just comment below and I will invite her again. Yeah. So Tiana, you have something to say to our viewers or?
Yeah, so thank you for inviting me and thank you for those who are watching us. And subscribe to her channel.
Oh, thank you.
And invite your friend also and to other people to subscribe to her channel.
Any Filipino words to what Filipino words?
Salamat sa'yo lahat.
Wow.
Mahal ko kayo.
Wow. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita talaga.
So,
what about you?
Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
So, thank you guys for watching and we hope you enjoyed our video. Okay guys, thank you so much and bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.